Hello traders. Today is the 1st of January 2011. Happy New Year to you all. Happy trading to you all also for the new year 2011. Okay. This is about the 8 best wishes from the TSTW SYS08. 8 best wishes to all traders. Whatever you do, wherever you are, 8 best wishes from the TSTW SYS08. We know that the number 8 is considered as a lucky number in Asia, okay, in China, in Japan, in those Asia countries. Number 8 is what is considered as a lucky number. In trading, there is nothing like a luck, okay? So there's nothing like a lucky, okay? The market has a pattern, okay? And the market has a tendency, okay? But right here, we will talk about the wishes that the TSTW SYS08 has for you all. We have here the Canadian yen currency pair, okay? Which is oil play. So anytime you are trading the Canadian yen currency pair, in fact you are trading crude oil. Okay, if you are not prepared to trade crude oil, or if you do not understand crude oil or gasoline, do not trade the Canadian yen currency pair, because the movement of oil, the movement of crude oil, the movement of gasoline is the number one indicator in the family of crude oil. Okay, gasoline. You watch first gasoline and then you watch the crude oil, okay? The gasoline will move first before the crude oil, and then it will definitely affect the Canadian yen currency pair. These are little tricks and tips about the Canadian yen currency pair. So anytime you want to trade the Canadian yen currency pair, you keep your left hand eyes on the Canadian yen currency pair and your right hand eyes on the crude oil or gasoline. Very important, because Canada is the country that export oil, and Japan is the country that consumes too much oil. So when the oil is going up, the Canadian dollar will be increasing and the yen will be going down. So when you see the crude oil going up, the Canadian yen currency pair will in most cases follow the movement of the crude oil to the upside. And when the crude oil is going down or gasoline is going down, the Canadian yen currency pair will definitely, in most cases, follow the crude oil or the gasoline to the downside. So your eyes, your right hand's eye must be on the crude oil, and your left hand's eye will be on the Canadian yen currency pair anytime you are trading Canadian yen currency pair, because Canada will benefit from the rise of the oil, and Japan will suffer from it. Okay. On the other hand, if oil is going down, the Japanese will profit from that, which means the yen will be strengthening and the Canadian yen will be losing, because the oil is going down. They can't have a higher revenue for their country. By the way, Happy New Year to all the Canadian TSTW and TSTW SYS08 traders. We have here the best 8 wishes for you directly from the TSTW SYS08. For those of you who are new to us, who do not watch our video very often, the TSTW stands for Trading Systems That Work. Okay, and the TSTW SYS08 is the number 2 of the group of the TSTW. We have 5 TSTW. The first of the group is TSTW24, and then we have the TSTW SYS08, and then the third one, which we will release in April 2011, is the TSTW SYS008. Okay, the fourth TSTW the fourth TSTW SYS will not be released to the public, and the fifth one also will not be released to the public. So the last TSTW that we're going to release to the public will be in April 2011, and we will consider the job done, because our aim is to assist traders that are working hard. The only time people work hard and they don't get paid, but the only job I find in this world that people work hard, work truly hard, but they don't get paid, is in trading. Okay, there are traders out there that work every day. They spend time, weekend, day in, day out. They look on the chart, they do all their research, they look at indicators, they look at the price, but they don't get paid. they are losing. Okay, they win one day, they win another day, but they give back the next day. And when they do the total sum of everything, they are in loss right now. But what I will say to those traders that do not give up, most businesses, not even talking about trading, most business will close after the first 2 years. So the important thing is to have a strategy of survival. Okay, so you remain in the market. If you survive for 3 or 4 years, the chances that you should continue to look for to continue to fight, okay, to continue to learn, to continue to improve your trading ability until you start getting paid, because usually after 1 year or 2 years most traders are out. They are out. It's no question about it. Many traders will close, they will give up completely trading after 1 year or 2 years. But in my view, when you start trading first, it likelihood that you're going to be fighting or struggling for the first to the fourth years. I did a video also that I talked about that in the past, and I show you the normal progress. If after 4 years, you don't have a stability, you need urgent help, okay, or urgent assistance. In that particular case, I'm allowed to use the word help because after 4 years you didn't find a direction. You need what I call help, not assistance. It's the total help that you need in that case. So, but if you are after 4 years, what usually happen after 4 years, at least you should be achieving break even. Even if they're taking your money, you should be break even, which means you are not losing money, you are not having any profit, you are having a zero loss, a zero profit after 4 years. From the beginning of the 4 years, you should start making money. That's my personal view. So when I see a trader ask a question, how long have you been doing this? They say to me 2 years, 1 year, 3 years. I say you are still in the game. Keep trying. Very important. Okay. What are our 8 wishes for the new year 2011? Directly from the TSTWSYS08. The first wish is available capital. What do we mean by available capital? In order to remain in the market, in order to participate in the market, you must have money to trade with. What do we mean by money to trade with? You cannot trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So you must have a separate money from your children's saving, okay? a money that will not affect your lifestyle. Very important. A separate money. The first rule is that do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. I cannot overstress that, okay? Very important. I cannot lie about it. I cannot put it to you in a different way. It's just blank, okay? Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade with money that you are willing to risk, and money that you are willing to put in line, because trading involves risk. So we wish you available capital, that you have enough money to trade with, enough spare money that to trade with, enough money to fund your account. Most serious trader will tell you blankly that if you do not have $20,000, do not even try it. Why? Because they know the up and down in the market and the learning process. That's why when you start trading first, you must start trading with a small amount of money. That's my view. So because you're going to be losing when you start trading first, don't lie to yourself. Be honest. That's what I try to do. People will lose money in the first year. I lost myself when I start trading first, so I know how it's like, okay? So do not put too much money. Do not go and empty all your bank account, all your saving, all your children's saving, and put in line and start trading with it. Don't do that, okay? Use more money. Nowadays, people can open trading account with $1,000, even with $500. But my view that when you're going to start with 1,000, okay? And trade with small money, okay? Don't go and open account with I think spread betting will be better for those who start trading first, so you don't get involved with leverage, okay? Leverage, you are going into debt straight away. You do not do that. You are in a learning process. Start slowly, okay? And then from there you build your ability to trade, and you are ready for the fight. You are a new fighter, so you learn to have the ability instead of being kicked up and down by the smart guy in the market. So available capital to trade with, that you have enough money, enough capital to fund your account, okay, and to support your trading. This is the number one wish from the TSTWSYS08. Second wish is the protection of the capital. So now you have the phone, one way or another. You have the phone, you fund the account, you open your account, okay? You are ready for it, you are enthusiastic for it, you are passionate about training, you want to take this challenge on, head on, okay? So now the second best wishes is to protect that capital, which means you do not allow anybody or anything to take that money away from you. It's your money, you're going to fight for it like a dog, so to speak, okay? You see how the dog they fight? They are courageous, they are tough. So you do not allow anybody to take your stuff, your money. How do you protect your capital? You can go to our website, www.dayprotraders.com, and click on risk management. We show you exactly what you can do to protect your capital. It's there for you. Go to www.dayprotraders.com, click on risk management, and watch all the videos there that will definitely help you to protect your capital. You use stop loss, you use the 5% rule, okay? You know what is a high probability trade. You don't take any trade. You don't trade any type of trade. You make sure you take the high probability trade, okay? Very, very important. And you always use stop loss, and you do not over trade. Anytime you place a trade, you have to pay commission. If you're over trading, you are eroding your account, paying commission. The commission alone can take more than 20% of your trading account if you do not know what is going on. So protection of your capital. So the first wish is available capital. Second wish is the protection. By all means, as a trader, we do not compromise on the protection of our capital. That's the first thing I always say to the new TSTW24 trader. I say, do not, the first thing that you need to remember as a trader is that protect your capital. This is our first priority. The number three, okay, the third wish for the new year 2011 from the TSTWSYS08 is small losses. Trading involves some losses. I need to be honest with you, you will have losing trade. No question about it. Even if you are the veteran of Wall Street, the best trader, there are days you will have losing trade. But if you're going to lose, we wish that you lose small, okay? You never lose big. Always small losses. That's how you cut your losses. You will have small losses, and your broker will respect you. If they see you having small losses, they will show you total respect, because they know that this guy they understand the game, he know what he's doing, he is serious about trading. They will show you total respect. Your broker, when you call them, they will talk to you with respect. If you're cutting your loss small, because they want to take more money from you, they want to keep you, but they know that this guy, they can't wipe you out, but they are busy. They want to take money from you, but they can't. So they will show you respect, so you stay longer, wishing that you lose more, but you know how to cut your losses. So when you see that the trade is going, it's no more value, you know. Sometimes traders know that it's losing trade, but they will try to do it. They know that it's gone. Close it, please. Close it, please. If it's gone, close it. Take small losses. That's it. If you are day trading, you open a day trading, okay, and the trade is not going anywhere, just shut it down and go. There will be another better time. Instead of going through all the stress, all the pain, or sitting there looking at the screen, staring at the screen for hours, nothing's happening. Go away and do something else and keep your money. Especially days when we have many news, okay? Last week we see some news coming out, and the whole market is just struggling. You may decide to go and play golf or do something else, or read the book, or do something with your life. This is about cutting your losses. When the opportunity is not there, do not create it yourself. When it's there, then you take advantage of it. If you see that it's a mistake, agree that it's a mistake, shut it down, and then go for another one. Cut your losses. So the third wish is small losses. The fourth and the best wish for you from the TSTWSY08 is big wins. Big wins, we are talking about locating, knowing your signal and understanding your signal. You will see clearly when it's time to buy. You see, now it's time to buy. You position yourself, you are ready for it, and you place your trade, okay? There's nothing like confident trade, okay? You must place your stop loss and manage the trade, even though you know that this is a high probability. Some traders get so careless that they see this is the best setup. This is what they say to you. This is the third alien wave. That's it. I don't need stop loss. I don't need to manage this trend. It's going to go down by all means. It's going to go up by all means. There's nothing like by all means in the market, okay? Even the third wave, you still need to manage the trend. Don't let your guard down and maximize your profit. Maximize your profit. When you see the higher probability trade setup, it does not mean that place your whole trading account on it like a betting, like gambling. No, you only expose 5% of your trading row account on all your trading. Okay, very important. Okay, if you want to know more, go to www.dayprotraders, click on risk management. So the fourth wish from the TSTWSYS08 for the year 2011 is big wins. Okay, now the fifth wish, okay, the fifth best wish from the TSTWSYS08 is accurate timing, okay, for entry and exit. This is so important. One of the reasons why we create the TSTWSYS08 is about timing. The time you enter the trade and the time you must close the trade. I must stress on the exiting the trade. A lot of traders know perfectly. Some traders can perfectly time their entry point, but then they wonder when they should close the trade. Now they see profit is going up, going up, going up. When is it going to stop? Okay? When are you going to take your money? When is time to take money? Is it worth staying in the trade longer? How long the trade is going to last? Okay, that's where the Fibonacci projection and Fibonacci extension will help you, and also the knowledge of alien wave will help you to time your trade and to know exactly when to exit also the trade. Very important. So accurate timing and accurate exit of the trade is the number 5 of our wish, directly from the TSTWSYS08. Number 6 of our wish, directly for the TSTWSYS08, is understanding other traders. It took me some time to become a bit humble when I start trading, because sometimes you will see what we call high probability trade, and if you do not show total respect to other traders, like momentum traders, like liquidity traders, okay, like technical traders, or like the market makers, those are participants in the market, like to your brokers, you can see a perfect, beautiful setup turn against you because you fail to show respect to other traders. Okay, so anytime you want to place a trend, okay, that's why we say to all the TSTW24 traders, have the pivot line on your chart. Okay, so you are looking at what other traders are likely to do, and also last time I show you about the Fibonacci retracement, people will place their trade at 38%, 61.8, 50%, 78%. That's how they trade. And the momentum traders, how do they trade? They see what is the momentum trader? The momentum traders are people looking for volatility and high volume. So once they see high volume and high volatility, they will go into the trend. So right here you see the price went down very fast, which means we have a high volume and high volatility. The momentum trader will join this one. They don't care about what's going on, what the technical is saying, whether the fundamental are saying something else. All they are looking for is a high volume and high volatility. When they see those two trade, those two conditions, they were happy. These are momentum traders, and they don't know when the trend is about to end. As far the volume is there, as far the volatility is there, those momentum traders, which I like to call sometimes crazy traders, okay, they will participate in it. So you pay respect to them and know. Like we know that the Euro USD currency pair, there are many momentum trader in that market. So you know the personality of what you are trading, how the market react. So you pay respect to those traders also. There are many tools people are using in the market. People are using stochastic. Okay, so you go into the mind of the stochastic traders. So you see the stochastic overbought. You are trying to go into the mind of other traders to see what these people are likely to do. The RSI is oversold. You go into the mind of the RSI trader to see what these people are about to do. The MACD cross, you see that some people don't understand very much the MACD. As soon as the MACD cross is signaled, these people place that trade because they don't know what the MACD is about to do. They don't understand how MACD functions. You go into their mind also. There are people using the market profile, okay, the point of control. You go into their mind also. all the other indicators that people are using the ADS indicator to measure the strength of the trend. So you see the ADS giving a completely false signal that the trend is strong. When the TSTW24 tell you that the trend is not ready, you take advantage of that. This is about respecting other traders. Also talking about respecting other traders, we are talking about the opening bell, the time of the day, the time you should remain in the market, when the market is closing, okay, the market holidays, the news that are coming in the market, the fundamental traders. This is the same thing, because if you are trading, you don't pay attention to the news, okay? So you come in your computer, you don't know what news is about to come. When the whole professional traders know that there is one important news coming, but you are the only one who do not know, and you are just using your trading tools, you are out completely. So you are not paying attention to the news because you don't show any respect to the fundamental traders, and this can be also a problem. So our number 6 wish to you this year 2011 from the TSTWSYS08 is understanding other traders, to show them respect in order to make accurate trading decision. The number 7 wish from the TSTWSYS08 is accumulation of profit. So this is about consistency, okay? So you are not repeating the same mistake, you are not making many mistakes, okay? You know your setup, you understand your setup, you know how to filter out fake signal. This is one of the key to accumulate profit in this market, because when you understand your signal and you know how to filter it out, like talking about, suppose you use all the time, okay, a double bottom chart pattern, okay, how do you filter out a fake double bottom pattern? You must know. The same thing, some traders are breakout traders. They should also know not only how to trade the breakout, but how to filter out also a fake breakout, okay? So you are now in charge of that setup. So when you see a valid breakout, you know. When you see a fake breakout, you know. That's how you can accumulate your profit together with the risk management. Very important. Accumulation of profit involve excellent risk management. So you know when to enter your trade, when to exit your trade, when to manage your trade. Very important. How to cut your losses and maximize your profit. This is about accumulating your profit. Also, the amount of money that you're paying. Some people who are paying a huge amount of money for their commission, look for another brokers. If they are overcharging, if they are just there to drag you out, look for a better broker, for God's sake, so to speak. My apology for my language, but this is the truth. If your broker is not, it does not care at all. I'm not saying that all the brokers are that. Some brokers care for their traders, okay? So if they don't show any minimum respect for you, but I think it's time to look for a better broker. But the broker is there to take your money, and you are there to take also their money. So do not be fooled. They are businesses and they are after your money, and you are after their money. So take care of all these things in order to accumulate your profit. The last wish from the TSTWSYS08 for the year 2011 is enjoyment, okay? Myself, my first rule, that everything that I'm doing, if I'm not enjoying it, I'm out. Simple, okay? Are you enjoying trading? If you are not enjoying it, okay, look for something else in this life to do. There are other opportunities in life that you can perfectly excel in and enjoy life better. Maybe you're going to be a better writer or be something better in this community of mankind, okay? But if you are enjoying trading, go for it, okay? It's about enjoyment. We wish you enjoyment in your trading, enjoyment in your life, enjoyment in your family. Life is not only about trading, your family life, okay, your children, okay, your friends, okay, your loved ones, okay, your community, your neighbors is part of it, to enjoy your life, okay? Everything that you do, you should be able to enjoy it. And as a TSTW24 trader, as a TSTWSYS08 trader, we wish you a lot of enjoyment in your trading in this year 2011, in your life, in every area of your life, and we wish you the best of the best in this year 2011. This is about the best 8 wishes from the TSTWSYS08, and we are looking now on these 8 days or a chart of the Canadian yen currency pair, and we wish you the very best. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.